The feud between the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and APC Chairman Adams Oshiomole continues to linger, as the intervention of APC governors to address the rift proved abortive. 9 governors, including Obaseki, met the APC national leader Bola Tinubu in Lagos of recent, while 7 APC governors met with the National Working Committee in Abuja. Obaseki was absent. The committee chose direct primary for the gubernatorial primaries scheduled to hold on the 22nd of June 2020. This move has been strongly resisted by a faction of APC in Edo State said to be on Obaseki's side of the divide. The Kebbi State Governor Atiku Bagudu, while briefing journalists, said the meeting with the party's national leadership is to talk about issues that will move the party forward. Oshiomole revealed that he had not received any formal letter from Obaseki over his variance on the party's mode of primaries, just as he noted that the reports of disagreement over the mode of primaries adopted by the APC were mere speculations. Oshiomole said in quotes, "We have since published our timetable because, under the law, we are required to give INEC at least 21 days notice to monitor our primaries and to state the mode of our primaries, and of course, NEC has approved direct primaries for Edo. That of Ondo has not been discussed because that will come much later, because Edo will come about 3 weeks before Ondo. Obaseki is not here because issues of primaries are well spelled out in our constitution, and we are following it as strictly as possible, so there is nothing to worry about at all." End of quote. Source to This Day newspaper who attended the closed-door meeting revealed that Oshiomole told the governors that it was medicine after death to rally round Obaseki and give him automatic tickets for another term. Enraged Oshiomole is said to have challenged the governors on why they failed to convince Obaseki when they offered the olive branch through many reconciliation committees, including the one chaired by Umar Ganduje, the Kano State Governor. Rather, they were plotting to unseat him as the chairman of the party. Oshiomole also allegedly cautioned the governors to desist from forcing Obaseki on the people of Edo State, while referring to the outcome of Adamawa and Bauchi elections, of which the PDP won both seats. In some quarters, some believe Obaseki failed to manage the rift between him and Oshiomole. On the other hand, the Edo governor stated categorically that the APC chairman's actions did not follow due process, just as he noted that he was ready to sheath the sword for the sake of Edo people. Obaseki said in quote, "It is unfortunate the position he has taken. I believe he was misguided, well, not properly guided. And as a governor and as governor, it is my responsibility to seek peace for my state and with all my citizens. The relationship is still frosty. I am doing all I can, doing my best to try and make it warm. Try and meet just for the sake of Edo people. Whatever it would take to have peace. You know, whatever it would take not to lose lives in Edo, I am committed to it." End of quote. He described the situation where another aspirant was contesting against the incumbent as a disadvantage and a mark of disharmony within the party. Meanwhile, in a battle for supremacy between Oshiomole and Obaseki, the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja restrained the governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, the Department of State Services, and the Inspector General of Police from taking any action on the report of the State Judicial Commission of Inquiry, which accused the APC chairman of corruption. The judge, Justice Ahmed Mohammed, ordered that pending the time the court will entertain Oshiomole's suit, the respondent must stop anything in connection to the matter. Edo State government, dissatisfied by the stance of the court and in the know of the twist of events, swiftly filed a preliminary objection through its lawyer, Alex Ejieseme, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, who disagreed with the hearing of the ex parte application on grounds that the court did not have the official right to entertain it. The court ordered the lawyer to the APC chairman to serve all respondents within 48 hours, the process he had filed in the case. The matter was adjourned till the 17th of June 2020. Who will bow for the order? Is it Oshiomole or Obaseki? The outcome of the Edo governorship elections will determine who is the superpower. Roots TV, Nigeria.